are those eastern bongos. And then in the middle, you're going to see a slightly smaller charcoal gray antelope with a yellow stripe down its back. That is one of our yellow back dikers. His name is Jovi. Spooked of a predator nearby, they will raise up that yellow hair like a danger mohawk, kind of like when a cat raises its hair on end. And that is a warning sign to his buddies to dive in the nearest bush and hide. In that barn, you may see a bird with a colorful head of golden feathers. That is our African crowned crane. He's one of the loudest birds out here. You can hear them squawking a good 2 to 3 miles away. The one closer to us is Aleke. She's in her late 20s, and then behind her is her 3-year-old daughter, Daruba. Up close and personal, we're also seeing the best side, the back side of our little baby boy. He's hanging out with his mom. This is Kadogo and her little son, Mku. Mku is about 15 months old. Them to express natural behaviors, so things that they would do in the wild. We actually had these boxes all stacked up in a big tower just a little bit ago, because that one that's twirling that box around, it is her 12th birthday. So this is a little birthday surprise for her. There's some yummy treats in those boxes for them to find. They will leave their herds when they reach maturity at about 8 to 12 years of age. So he prefers his bachelor pad. Hi, buddy. Now he is patiently waiting to go inside. It is a little bit past his bedtime. He likes an early bedtime.